Rolling mill stands. A rolling mill stands used for a set of rolls mounted in a housing in a desired relative position to each other for performing a rolling action is called a stand, and based on the number and arrangement of rolls in their housing rolling mills, stands can be divided into six categories. What is a stand? Stands for a set of rolls mounted in a housing in a desired relative position to each other for performing a rolling operation is called a stands, and there are six types of category in there are हाउसिंग रोलिंग मिल. तो सबसे पहले बात करेंगे यहाँ पर जो सिक्स बेसिक रोल स्टैंडिंग है रोलिंग मिल स्टैंड है उसमें पहला आता है टू हाई नॉन रिवर्सिंग रोल स्टैंड एंड टू हाई reversing roll stand, then further 3 high stand, 4 high stand, multiple roll stand and universal roll stand. These are the 6 rolling mill stand. पहला है 2 high non reversing stand, 2 high reversing roll stand, 3 high stand, 4 high stand, multiple roll stands and universal roll stand. The first diagram shows 2 high non-reversing roll stand. So it is important to understand direction and workflow direction, rolling direction and workflow direction. तो जब हम लोग देखते हैं टू हाई नॉन रिवर्सिंग रोल स्टैंड डायग्राम में, तो यहाँ पर जो दो बेसिकली टू हाई नॉन रिवर्सिंग स्टैंड्स है वो हैज़ टू रोल्स हैं जो कि with a constant direction of rotation about the horizontal axis, and the stand passes the work only in one direction. Stand passes on one direction. If the workpiece has to be passed between the rolls for the next pass, it must be brought back to the starting position, and this makes the process is slow. जो बेसिकली डायग्राम बात करते हैं तो टू हाई नॉन रिवर्सिंग स्टैंड्स आर यूज्ड एक्सटेंसिवली in applications where the stock passes only once in a given stand, as in the case of cross country and the continuous rolling mills to describe later. We have a diagram of we have discussed two high non-reversing stands and two high reversing stand. This is the diagram for two high reversing stand diagram. And there are two high reversing stand diagram. In this, there are in two high reversing stands, the direction of rotation of the rolls can be reversed. There are another that is your two high reversing stand. In the diagram for two high reversing roll stand. In two high reversing stand, the direction of rotation of the rolls can be reversed to pass the stock back and forth for successive direction. Extra power is required to overcome inertia of the rolls in reversing rapidly. And also the two high reversing stands are used in blooming and slabbing mills and as roughing stands of plate, universal rail and structural mills. Then another diagram is shown, that is your three high roll stand. And there are three high roll stands has three rolls, 1, 2 and 3. Three high stands has three rolls with a constant direction of rotation arranged in a single vertical plane. A three high stands has three rolls with a constant direction of rotation arranged in a single vertical plane, and further the stock can be rolled between blown two rolls lifted by the elevator and rolled back between the top two rolls. Three high rolling mill may be employed as a blooming mills, yeah, for subsequent rolling operations such as a billet and finishing the rolling. And three high rolling stands can be arranged in a cross country yeah looping arrangement. Another diagram is that is your shows is a four rolling mill. There have a support role, and there have a working role. Two support roles and there have a working role. Four high stands have four roles or arranged according to one above the other in a vertical plane, as shown diagram. Two inner roles are small in diameter and the working role. वर्किंग रोल हमारे यहाँ पर स्मॉलर इन डायमीटर, जबकि आर आउटर outer larger roles are the backup roles. Outer larger roles are the backup roles या support roles. And there are function of backup roles या support role is to support the working roles and reduce their spring. Smaller diameter working roles permit the concentration of the total force and reduce the power requirement. And four high rolling stands are used in rolling of plates and sheet. Then another rolling mill stands is that is known as your multiple roll stand या cluster roll stand. And there is diagram. There are a support roll, working roll, working roll, and support roll. So that is called cluster roll stand. A multiple या cluster rolling mill stands may have a 12, 6, 12, 20 or more rolls. 6, 12, 20 yeah or more rolls. And the two rolls are working rolls. These are the two are the working rolls, and rest of the backup rolls just support rolls. And the working rolls used are of very small diameter, of the order of to 10 to 30 mm, 10 to 30 mm, and they are mounted on the rigid stands and are supported by the backup rolls. They permits concentration of rolling force and enables the thinnest strip to be rolled into coils. There are there are also working rolls. The working rolls are idle running as they are too small to be given to drive, and then they are driven through the connecting supporting. The next is the universal roll stand. As shown in this diagram, universal roll stands horizontal roll, horizontal roll, vertical roll, and there are two rolls direction of billet in this, and there are rolls direction is this and this. In the universal roll stands, and there are universal roll stands for universal roll stands make up use the both horizontal and vertical rolls, and the vertical rolls are arranged on one side or on both sides of the horizontal rolls, as on this diagram. In their diagram, you have seen that there are horizontal rolls, vertical rolls, sections rolls, and vertical rolls. This one is the universal roll stands applications. They are used for rolling of wide strip, sheets, plates, and slabs. Vertical rolls finish the edge of the stock even and smooth, while the horizontal rolls the faces. In their horizontal rolls may be arranged as two, three or four high stands. Universal roll stands may be also be designed as a structural stands for rolling specified section. And there are a mill designed for rolling wide flange beams, H sections, as on figure this diagram. Beams with depth up to 1000 mm can be easily rolled this way.